Hi there, Jordan Douglas here from Balloo Hire Centres, Major Projects Manager, and today I'm just going to do a quick video to show you the range of products that we can offer your business. We offer an extensive range of plant equipment, ranging from excavators to telehandlers, dumpers, rollers and other compaction equipment. If you're working at height, we will have a solution for you. From anything from a 4-metre push around all the way up to our 180-foot super boom. There's everything in between, and it varies between diesel machinery as well as our eco-electric range. We have a huge selection of small tools and other equipment that can be ranging from cleaning solutions to heating products, compressors, landscaping items, as well as anything else there that's being used on a daily basis on a construction site. For your site accommodation, welfare and power requirements, we have an extensive range on our power from anything 3 kVA up to 500 kVA. And for a solution on your welfare, we can offer anti-vandal as well as bespoke modular units. For any more information on any of the products we have touched on and all other products, please visit our website www.balloohire.com. Give us a call or nip into one of our 7 depots across Northern Ireland.